Today we'll be replacing the spark plugs on this 2023 Toyota Camry. All you need to do really is remove the engine cover first. And here you have your 4 ignition coils on top. Just press on the back of the tab and pull it up. Remove the ignition coils, and they are held in by one 8mm bolt on each ignition coil. So go ahead and just remove those 4 bolts and pull on the ignition coil and they'll come up. Here's the part number for the NGK spark plugs. Here are the tools I'll be using to remove the spark plugs and install them. 14mm and an extension and a 3/8 ratchet. Here are the original Denso part number. If you want to go ahead and get Denso again. The spark plugs are tightened down to 15 foot-pounds, so I have my torque wrench set to exactly 15 foot-pounds. But if you don't have a torque wrench, just get them hand tightened and then you snug it down a 1/4 turn. So you start here and you finish here. That's the safest method if you don't have a torque wrench. Make sure you hand tighten these spark plugs first before you start to use any tool to tighten it down. So you just grab it here and hand tighten it first. And you want to repeat that for all 4 spark plugs. So once you got them hand tightened to where your hand can't tighten them any further, you're good to go ahead and either get your 1/4 turn, or if you have a torque wrench, go ahead and torque it down to 15 foot-pounds. Once you hear that click, safe to stop. All the spark plugs are torqued down to factory spec. So now we can go ahead and start reinstalling everything. Grab your ignition coils. 8mm bolts that keep them held down. Snug, you don't have to do it too tight. Now go ahead and reinstall the electrical connectors on each spark plug ignition coil. Install your engine cover. That's it. That's how you install spark plugs on the 2018 through 2023 Toyota Camry. Till next time, guys, like, share, subscribe, comment. Peace.